What you're looking at is a custom audience from a lead form. Now, if you aren't running lead forms for your ads, you are missing out on probably one of the last great ways to make money with Facebook ads. That's a lot of, it sounds like hyperbole, but it's what I have come to figure out. Driving traffic to a landing page is dying. Conversion rates are down, CPMs are high, cost per clicks are high, CPCs, all that stuff. But Facebook wants everybody to stay on platform. That's just the nature of the beast. It's how it works. So we have to play with their game. So what you're going to do is you're going to create your, instead of lead gen and driving traffic to a landing page, you're going to go create lead forms in your business account. I've already done all this. This is how to create a new audience that's better than what you're currently getting in retargeting on your page traffic. So what you're going to do is you're going to make 3 audiences. You're going to make an audience of people who opened this form, people who opened but didn't submit this form, and people who opened and submitted this form. I use all of my lead forms when I'm doing this, just because it's one, just by product. That way you can have it. You need hundreds of people for the audiences to work, right? So this gives you the most. And in reality, you probably only need 3 or 4 lead forms, depending on the size of your business. Audience retention, 90 days, and then just give it a name. Lead form opened. Year and month, and then I create the audience. That's it. That's what you're gonna do. Enjoy. And then you can use that as retargeting traffic ads.